Hi, this is Eric from LD Products, and I'm here today to show you how to replace an ink cartridge in your Epson WorkForce Pro WF-3730 printer. A brand new Epson WorkForce WF-3730 includes the Epson 702 black, cyan, magenta, and yellow setup cartridges. And cartridges are sold in a standard yield and high yield or XL size, which offers more ink. You'll need to have all of the cartridges installed in your printer in order for it to function properly. Now I've got a brand new Epson 702 cyan ink cartridge here, so let's open it up. And I like to prep new cartridges over a trash can because sometimes a little bit of ink can escape when I'm unwrapping them. So let me grab a trash can and we'll continue the unpackaging process. Okay, so we've got our trash can here, and the first thing you want to do is just unwrap the cartridge from the plastic wrap. Then you want to remove the yellow tape on the side of the cartridge here. Gently pull on the tape to remove it. This will expose the vent hole on the cartridge so it can work properly in the machine. And while you're doing this, be sure to avoid touching the gold contact chip, which is right here, when handling the cartridge. This chip is very sensitive and it may not read properly if residue or fingerprint oil gets on those contact points. All right, and with that, let's go ahead and install the cyan cartridge. You can start the replacement process by just selecting the Replace Ink Cartridges button. We'll select, and as you can see, the cyan cartridge is depleted on the display screen. So we'll go ahead and select Next, press OK, and then it's asking if we want to replace now. We'll hit Yes, and we'll hit Next one more time, and then we'll go ahead and select Start on the following screen. Wait for it to process for a moment, and we'll open up the scanner unit on the top. Alright, so first we need to remove the depleted cartridge, so we'll go ahead and grab it here. You can just gently pull up on it. It's a little bit snug, but it does come right out like that. And then we've got our brand new Epson cartridge, so let me install that. And the clip goes on the back here. And just gently press it down. You should hear a click. We can close up the front cover. And we'll give it another moment to process. And this could take a few minutes. Okay, and we've got a final message here confirming that the replacement was successful, so we'll press OK. And you can hit the home button and we're all set. Need more help? Be sure to check out our other videos for this printer model. And if you're looking to save money, consider purchasing the LD brand compatible version from ldproducts.com. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like below and be sure to subscribe. Shop LD Products for all your ink and office supply needs. We are your ink and toner experts.